after bridge we have captain's deck. So on this deck we only have 2 cabins. We have a gym, we have a treadmill, our dining room. So everybody was eating together here. For the plastic cans, carton and everything, we put everything here. And this is our mess room. So especially on this mess room, we always sitting together, we watch the movie together, and also we playing PlayStation with the big screen, and also with the this kind of crazy things. So we always use it if we play like Gran Turismo, Formula 1, we always use it. And then most of the times we playing FIFA. So this is our mess room, and especially here we have the canteen list. So we have the like soda or chips, peanuts, chocolate, everything here. So we just stripe it and we take this stuff. So over here we have, that's the soft drink. We have soft drink here, and also we have this. We have the chocolate, we have the chips, we have the peanuts, everything was here. So for this, it's not necessary we have to wait every week. Every day we can take how much we like to take. So this is our mess room. And also we have that dartboard game. We also have the guitar. So it's quite nice place for us. So okay, we go again to downstairs. So here we are on the main deck. So over here we have this provision store, we have the laundry, also we have that steering room, AC room, we also have that control room. So just go inside and check it. Also we have one toilet there. Here we have the remaining stuff for a bonded store. We have the cigarettes, we have the tobacco, some liquor also, wine, everything was here. So this is locker also from engineer. This is our laundry, this is the dryer, this is our washing machine, this is also, we have the wash towel. And then we move to another side, we have, this is the dry store. So this is the dry store for provisions. It's like the herbs and spices, and then spare sugar, flavor, and then also some cornflakes, and then some stuff for the make some food. We have also potato, onion. This is the dry one, and also that's mineral water over there. Also we have this cleaning stuff over here. This is provision store. And this is the cool. This is the refrigerator. So this is what we keep inside for the vegetable, for the fruit, for the juice, for the beer, for everything what we need, like a bread, butter, everything was here. This is the cooling one, and then this is the frozen one. So on the frozen one we have a lot of kind for meat, like a sausage, ice cream, also bread. Usually we keep it on the frozen, and then we have a lot of stuff over here, especially for the chicken, for the fish, for the beef, everything we put it on the freezer room. So we go to another side again to check it. This is our locker. This is our locker, and then this is all the stuff from us. There's an overall, jacket, sweater, shoes, everything was here. And then this is control room. This is the control room. This is office from engineer. So engineer always make all documents over here. They are busy with the old paper, with the kind of things. This place for engineer. We call it control room. And also there we have generator room. And then this is the steering gear room. To engine room, to downstairs, but it's quite noisy. I cannot explain also because too much noise over there. So better we check the two stuff what we have on board. This is the special one. Now I will show you the special things what we have on board. It was on the boat deck. That's two special stuff we have on board. So I will show you now. So check this out. I tell you, I want to show you two special stuff on board. Over here we have jacuzzi. See, we have jacuzzi. And also we have jet ski on board. See, we have a jet ski on board. Especially also I was making some video. Yeah, it's around October or November, I forget, something like that. So I was making the video when the chief officer was lowering this jet ski and tried to get the picture for a Christmas card, so you can check it. So we have jacuzzi. Yeah, maybe we will use it later, but it was really nice, you know. Wow, perfect. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. Already follow me. We explore inside of accommodation of motor vessel Nordica. We start from the bridge. We check every deck, what we have, how many cabins we have, and then who's living inside also, and then what we have the rest on this vessel. Like we have it's gym, we have also the mess room, we have jacuzzi, we have the jet ski. So this is what we have on Nordica. So thank you so much for watching this video, and then hope you are enjoy with my video about the explore of this vessel. Especially we call it like a room tour of Nordica. Thank you so much, and then see you on the next video.